Hey, what's up, my friends? Welcome back. This week, we're making a holiday season all-time favorite pumpkin pie with an oat crust. You will need a pumpkin, several eggs, some all-purpose flour, oats, sugar, and yogurt.
Layer the chorus? Yeah. Alright. Gave you my heart for one evening.
Okay, the very first step is to cook the pumpkin. Normally, I choose to steam them, and based on the steamer of your gadget, my steamer is kind of narrow, so I tend to cut them as flat as possible. Obviously, you gotta take out the seeds, but yeah, just cut them into quarters of the each half and steam them for about 30 minutes.
That's just fucked up. That's just fucked up. I didn't know I could love you. Yeah. But when I saw you, couldn't put nobody above you. Yeah. I didn't think you would turn on me. Turn on me, but you did.
While you're waiting for the pumpkin to cook, it's time to prepare the pie crust, which is some oats. This time I used a 9.5-inch round pie plate. And the oats, you will need 3 servings of what I'm showing now, which is 80 grams of the oats, which is 240 grams of oats overall. I was trying really hard to be as accurate as possible. For each serving of the 80 grams of oats, I added 1 egg. So in total, for a 9.5-inch, I added 3 eggs in total for the pie crust. So you can adjust based on your pie plate. In this case, I used Chobani peach-flavored yogurt because that's what I had in my fridge. But you could definitely use Greek yogurt, non-sugar added at all, if you wanted to be cautious about the sugar intake.
I thought about you, playing you right. This was a love game. You didn't love back. I didn't love that.
After fully incorporated all your pie crust ingredients, generously grease your pie pan with PAM to prevent it stick to the bottom. Evenly distribute your pie crust paste to the plate. As you can tell, I repeated the steps for 2 more times because the original serving is only for 1/3 of the plate.
Put me second, I put you first. Girl, you the worst. Girl, you the worst. You left me laying right here in a hearse. Oh, why you gotta do me like that? Like that.
As you spread the pie crust evenly, press firmly on the pie crust to hold its shape. And in the end, use the fork to poke some air holes to let the air out. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and then bake your crust for 10 minutes. In terms of the pie fillings, in addition to the pumpkins we're cooking, you will need 3 eggs, 60 grams of flour, and 30 grams of sugar. And in the beginning, you can mix the sugar with the pumpkin while the pumpkin is still hot, and wait till it cools down a little. We can add eggs and flowers later.
Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up. I didn't know I could love you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But when I saw you, couldn't put nobody above you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I didn't think you would turn on me. Turn on me, but you did. Yeah, you did. And you ain't got no remorse. Ain't got no remorse. I hit her rap and she hit me right back with that da 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 like it's Morse. She said that we should let life run its course. I said of course. And now I'm all alone. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Gave you my heart in one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up.
Once you pour the filling into the crust, preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes. You can take a look at the pumpkin pie after 10 minutes. If you feel the outside of the crust is getting burned, feel free to put a tin foil on top so the color wouldn't be too dark. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now sit back. Let's enjoy the show of how to get a pumpkin pie out of the plate. Yes, it's gonna take a while, so yeah.
I didn't love that. You left me broken, you left me lonely. You left me lonely, you left me hurting. I ain't deserve this. You didn't care for me. You wasn't there for me. I hate to admit it, but I take you back. I take you back in the heart. I take you back in the
Wait for me. I mean, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do without you?
Girl, you the worst. Girl, you the worst. You left me laying right here in the hearse. Oh,
It's that way.
why you got
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Layer the chorus? Yeah. Alright. Gave you my heart for one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me.
Alright friends, if you haven't done so, just smash that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, click like and leave comments below. Thanks for watching, it's Jia here, we'll see you next Friday.